Welcome back to Hacker Warehouse TV. In today's Tradecraft tutorial, we will be using our Proxmark3 RDV4 to decrypt and emulate a Mifare 1K card using the Blue Shark module and RFID Tools Android App. The technique we will use to copy and emulate the target card is normally only possible with a wired connection to the Proxmark client on your computer workstation, but thanks to RRG, this can now be done wirelessly and discreetly in the field using just the PM3 and your Android device. To get started, you will need access to the following materials: 1 Proxmark3 RDV4 with the Blue Shark module and the firmware fork supporting the RFID Tools app. 1 Android device with the RRG RFID Tools app installed. And 1 Target Mifare Classic 1K card. We will be using an old hotel room keycard. First, we are going to connect the Proxmark3 with our Android smartphone by opening the RFID Tools app. Power on the PM3 and turn the Bluetooth module on by flipping the 2 dip switches on the right side of the Blue Shark module. Tap the Proxmark3 RDV4 in the app and look for the list of Bluetooth devices. Once connected, open up the red team terminal to access the Proxmark client. Next, we will identify the target card by using the Easy button menu and selecting HF search. Note the UID value of the card for later use. We will need to identify at least one valid key from this card to decipher all of the key data, so check if the card is using any default keys by hitting the Easy button starting with HFMF. Check to test for these known default keys. In our case, no valid keys were found. The default keys displayed are in sectors of the memory not used in authentication of the card. We will proceed by using the Easy button to perform a Darkside attack. This will attempt to exploit a vulnerability related to the parity bits used in reader card communication, and if successful, will decrypt a valid key for further decryption. Copy the valid key to your clipboard. Next, you will hit the Easy button for performing a nested attack. This starts with HFMF nested. Tap this button and then use your keyboard input to delete the default values and then paste in your valid key followed by a space and the letter T. Hit send to execute the nested attack using the known key value. Once the client prints out the entire set of memory blocks, you no longer need to be in proximity of the target card. The target card data will now be loaded to the PM3 emulator memory. To emulate the target card using your PM3, all you need to do is input the command HFMFSIM followed by the letter U and the UID of the card. Tap send to execute this command and the Proxmark will now act as if it were the target card anytime it interacts with an RFID reader. This powerful attack technique is typically restricted to the lab. Thanks to the incredibly small form factor of the Proxmark3 RDV4, the battery and Bluetooth capabilities provided by the Blue Shark module, and the discrete interface provided by the RFID Tools app, this set of attacks can now be deployed in the field by a single red teamer. Remember that the unauthorized copying of proximity card data may be illegal in your jurisdiction, so please hack responsibly and ethically. Check out our other great articles on RFID and the PM3 and look forward to more Tradecraft tutorials demonstrating the power of this toolkit. Go to hackerwarehouse.com to purchase your own Proxmark3 RDV4 and the Blue Shark module, as well as many of the other accessories you will need to build your own RFID lab. Thanks again for watching, and remember, keep it between the laws. Really. No lulz this time.